Hello, in our Alma 702 class today, we're going to see more about user management in Alma. We will look at authorizations, roles, role templates, and more. I'm moving to Alma, and from the Alma menu, I'm moving to the option to find and manage users. I'm going to search for a particular user. Here she is. Let's just type it in. Belinda Ross, and I'm going to edit this record. Now, Belinda is a patron in the library, but she has recently joined the cataloging staff at our institution. So I have the option of updating her job category, updating her user group, and at the bottom here, I will also update the roles and privileges that we wish to assign to her. As I mentioned, she's joined the staff as a cataloger, so I'm going to add cataloging roles to Belinda from a template. And we can see here that it's possible to define a number of different templates related to different roles and areas of the library. Here is my cataloger template, and I'm just going to choose that, and automatically we can see that Belinda has been assigned these roles that were part of the template that we chose. I'm going to say that Belinda should not be managing digital and electronic material, so I have the option of assigning a template to a particular user, but then removing elements of the template that I don't want that user to have. We'll click on the Remove Selected option. I will click on the Confirm button. And now I would like Belinda to be a trial participant. So I'm going to add that role from the Add Role option. And here we can get a view of the roles and options available in Alma. We can see elements related to user management, acquisitions. Here is my trial participants. I will just mark it, fulfillment, inventory, etc. We can see that as soon as a role has been assigned to Belinda, I can no longer reassign it, which of course is an efficient workflow for the person who is managing this type of workflow. And once I have marked the items that I wish to add, all I need to do is to click on the Add Role option. Where relevant, I can define a scope, so maybe I want it just for my library or for my institution. Click on Save Role, and we can see now that Belinda has a role of trial participant. Now, we have spoken often about the different options available to different groups of users when they log into Alma based on the roles that have been assigned to them. What I'd like to do now is to save Belinda's record, log out as my circulation and user management librarian, and log in as Belinda. Belinda R, and I will 3. So we can see that she has no tasks. She hasn't added any widgets. We've just given her her password authorization. And let's have a look at the options available to her. Here we can see a very narrow, slimmed down menu with only the options that have been assigned to her. She will always be able to search the repository. She has various options related to cataloging, and these are the only options that she can access in Alma. This concludes our overview of user management, roles and authorizations, and role templates in Alma.